Hello. I frequently observe that people at work really underestimate the power of collective thought and how energizing it would be if everyone was encouraged to think for themselves in order to become a better problem solver. The small things that can be done consistently will build the foundation of everything you want to achieve. Today I would like to share one of Aesop's fables. It is called The Crow and the Pitcher. A crow, half dead with thirst, came upon a pitcher which had once been full of water. But when the crow put its beak into the mouth of the pitcher, he found that only very little water was left in it, and that he could not reach far enough down to get at it. He tried and he tried, but at last had to give up in despair. Then a thought came to him, and he took a pebble and dropped it into the pitcher. Then he took another pebble and dropped it into the pitcher. Then he took another pebble and dropped it into the pitcher. And then another one. At last he saw the water mount up near him, and after casting a few more pebbles, he was able to quench his thirst and save his life. The moral of the story? Little by little does the trick. People are smarter than you think, and they want to contribute to the company's success. Give them the opportunity and listen to the voices around you. Nobody knows better how to improve the job than the people who are actually doing it. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.